Trevor, I think his name is, to go, whoa, whoa, oh my God. Dude! Are you? Yeah, I'm good, just...
It's alright though.
Yeah, I'm good, I appreciate it.
I knew he was going to keep going, too.
Me too. Nothing I could do about it. I wish I took his mailbox out. Oh,
you have it recorded!
Yes! We got one for the YouTube.
Stop. That's what you get for showing off.
Just missed that.
Wow. Uh-oh. He's sliding everywhere. What's he?
Wow.
Dang. Where did he come from? That was crazy. Yeah, good ones.
Creates his pace, which temporarily pacifies and disarms enemies in range. On its own, the ability doesn't really sound that useful aside from giving you some time to heal or run away. However, if you know how to
Fucking shit up, then we beat out the system. Fuck the system. Water on me, like the sun of song, carrot song, 20. All these commas, I want fun, me go gunners at the jump, we fly it all, fuck a front. On me.
Yeah, I know, I agree. Come on, what are you doing? Go! What are you doing? What the hell's your problem?
Now follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy. Let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do.
Jesus Christ.
If I adjust those settings.
I'm a holy leader. I call the shots. I'm like the firecracker. I make it hot, then I put on a show. Feel the adrenaline moving through your veins. Spotlight on me.
Micro this week. All you put your check down on a big screen. Ain't right. You're in there.